We will now create a Swarf toolpath with walls defined from chains. Expand the gallery in the multi-axis group, and then select Swarf. Select Tool and select Library Tool. Click on Filter, change the tool type to Ball End Mill, and set the tool diameter to equal 0.25. Then press OK. Select the 1/4 inch ball end mill and press OK. Make sure the 1/4 inch ball end mill is selected and enter the comment semi-finish the walls using Swarf with walls defined from 2 rails. Select Holder. Scroll through the holder list and select the C4C4-0025 holder. Select Cut Pattern and change the walls to chain. Then click on Select Walls. Make sure selection mode is set to 3D and click on Options. Enable Color Mask and change the sync mode to by branch. The 2 chains required as geometry for the Swarf toolpath need to be aligned. You have to synchronize the chains using the by branch method, which matches the chains at the branch points. Press OK. Make sure the selection method is set to chain. Select the lower contour here and the upper contour here. Then press OK. Change the compensation direction to right. Change the stock to leave on walls to 0.02. Make sure wall following method has distance enabled. Set to 0.05. Select tool axis control. Enable fanning. Fanning creates vectors that are not perpendicular to the upper and lower rails. Set the fan distance to 0.5. Enable minimize corners in toolpath. This removes the vectors immediately before and after any corner in the toolpath. Select collision control and change tip control to surface. Then, under compensation surfaces, select compensation surfaces. Press Alt-S if necessary to shade the part, and then select this surface. Then press End Selection. Enable Look Ahead. Set to 100 steps. Select Linking Parameters. Make sure Clearance is enabled and set to 2. Retract is enabled and set to 0.75. Feed plane, 0.2. And keep tool down within 300% of tool diameter. Expand linking and select Entry Exit. Enable Entry Exit and Entry Curve. Set the length to 80% and the thickness to 80%. Change the height to 0.2 and set the direction to right. Then copy the values. Select Roughing. Enable multi-passes and set the number of rough steps to 5, with the spacing set to 0.08. Set the number of finish passes to 1, with the spacing set to 0.02. And make sure machine finish passes at is set to final depth. Press OK to generate the operation. If the toolpath is generated on the outside of the part, select parameters for operation number 4, return to Cut Pattern, and change the compensation direction to left. Press OK, and regenerate the dirty operation. Backplot the operation. Select Options, make sure Display Vectors is enabled, with the color set to 0, and the length to 0.25. Then press OK, and run the backplot. As you can see, the tool will be crashing through the walls. Press OK and select Parameters for operation number 4. Select Entry Exit and change the direction to left for both. Then press OK and regenerate the dirty operation. Backplot the operation again. When backplot is finished, press OK. Then select Simulator Options. Change the stock to Stock Model. Set to Stock After Roughing. Press OK. Make sure only operation number 4 is selected and verify it. When Verify is finished, close the simulation window. Return your view to isometric and toggle the display of operation number 4 off.